Hello friends, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty will be cooking fresh water prawns with midin and white wine. So this veggie is midin, we call it. It's a delicacy in Borneo. It's a type of fern, and I'm gonna cook it with prawns. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, let's prepare the wild fern. Just do like this. So this is how you do this veggie. This upper part is soft, still very young, so I just pluck like this, and down part is hard. So this stem, hard stem, we have to throw away. Alright friends, so these are the prawns. I already removed the shell and already deveined. The dirt has been removed and it is very clean already. And I have, this one is midin. I removed the old stem. I only took the young one, and this one has been washed clean. And I have oyster sauce. This one is white wine, and this one is crushed garlic and shredded ginger, and of course salt and ajinomoto. So come, let's join Aunty the cooking. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, let's do cooking. Okay, add in the cooking oil. Alright. Okay, we add in the garlic. And ginger. Add a bit of salt just to enhance the aroma of the garlic and ginger. Okay, the garlic has turned brown, so we add in the prawns. I like to add in the black pepper. This one is already pounded. Very simple and fast. We don't do overcook the prawns. Okay, we add in the midin. Stir it. Okay, add in the oyster sauce. Turn the flame into a bit bigger. We don't overcook the midin, the fern. The name of the fern here is, we call it midin. Okay, slow a bit the flame. I like to add in the white wine. Ooh, this is nice. Add in the ajinomoto. It's done. See, very fast. Alright, switch off the flame. Alright friends, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking. The freshwater prawns with midin and white wine. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye bye. See you in the next video. May God bless all.